So here one question is asked. Work out the area of your classroom. Which quantities are taken into counting to calculate the area? The quantities to be taken into counting while measure the area of classroom are which what we are taking for counting the area. We are taking length of classroom and breadth of classroom. What we are taking length and breadth. Which quantities you are taking length and breadth. Fundamental quantities. It is enough to select a few out of the many quantities and standardize their units. Means many quantities are there, but you can to select the standardized unit. Standardized unit is also called as fundamental quantities. Means you just take the standard unit. You can see from the above example that units is the quantities length and time need to be standardized. Such quantities are called as fundamental quantities and their units are called as standard units. Means that quantity is called as fundamental quantity and their unit means for measuring cloth we are using meter, 1 meter, 2 meter. Means that meter is a unit. That meter is called as a unit and that unit is also standardized. Of course, a standard fundamental unit must be available to all and it must not be variable. Means suppose 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now this measurement or this fundamental quantity is not changes from place to place. This fundamental quantity is not changes from place to place. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This is fixed. You go everywhere. Suppose you are in Maharashtra, you go out of Maharashtra or in anywhere. This fundamental quantity is not changed. This is fixed. Standards of the fundamental quantities. As the standard of a mass of a cylinder made of a platinum iridium alloy is kept in the International Bureau of Weights and Measure at Paris. As per the international agreement, this mass is called as a 1 kilogram. Official accurate copies of this prototype are kept in the standardized laboratories all over the world. Means that cylinder copies is kept in all the laboratories and measurement of that cylinder is standardized measurement. Two fine lines are engraved in a platinum iridium bar kept in the International Bureau of Weights and Measure at Paris. The distance between these two lines are accepted as the standard meters. Means those are parallel lines. The distance between in that parallel lines is fixed. The distance between two lines is accepted as the standard meter. Means whatever is the distance between that two parallel line, that distance is a standard meter. Accurate copies of this prototype are made and distributed to standardized laboratories all over the world. The time required for one revolution of the earth is measured by means of an accurate device. This time is taken as 24 hours. Means for earth completing one revolution, that time is fixed 24 hours. To standardize 1 second, 1 hour is considered to have 60 minutes and 1 minute 60 seconds. International system of units. An international system of unit based on 7 fundamental units called the System International. System International means SI. S means system, I means international. Is accurately used all over the world. it also called as the metric system. Their another name is called as metric system. System International is also called as a metric system. The names and the symbols of the units of the fundamental quantities length, time and mass in this system are given in the following table. The quantity which are length, mass, time. Name of units. Length, how we are measuring length? In meter, and their symbol is m. How we are measuring mass? In kilograms, kg. Time in second, means s. Now secret scientist. Here information is given about one scientist. When man felt the need to measure things, he started by using the parts of his own body for the purpose. Means when man needed to measuring things, that time they don't have instruments for counting or for measuring. That time man is use their body parts like hand or feet. In Egypt, in ancient time, the distance from a man's elbow to the tip of his middle finger was called as cubit. Means man's elbow to tip distance is called as a cubit. This measure will different from person to person. Of course, because all persons have different height. That's why the person to person that measurement it changes. Therefore, the cubit is the king was considered as the standard. Means the king of that country, their measurement they are decided as a standard measurement. मीन जो भी किंग था उसका जो एल्बो से लेकर टिप का जो मेजरमेंट था उन्होंने वो मेजरमेंट स्टैंडर्डाइज मेजरमेंट ऐसे डिक्लेयर कर दिया. इन ओल्डर टाइम वी fatten gold in a unit called gunj. Means in old days gold is counted in gunj, and now today we are counting gold in grams. And our glass was used for measuring time. In earlier days watch is not there. On that time our glass is used for measuring time. Have you seen anyone? If you want more information about this hourglass, you can find out in Google.